Scaling and units of measurement. So today we're going to talk about, supposedly if you scale independent and dependent variables, right, by some constants, then how it is going to affect the slope parameters, residuals, maybe variances, R square, these things. So that's what we're going to look at. So let's say our initial model is this: yi is equal to yi hat plus ui hat, that is yi hat is beta 2 hat, beta 1 hat plus beta 2 hat xi plus ui hat. And supposedly we write yi star, that is we scale these dependent variables by w1. Now this w1 could be anything. You could, let's say you can multiply all of these dependent variables by 10, or you can divide all of these variables by 10. So in that case w1 is going to be 1 by 10, right? Xi star is, let's say, w2 xi, where w1 and w2 are called constants. They are called scale factors. They're called scale factors, right? So if you would have run this model, let's say yi star is equal to your, I mean, you would of course would have got the new uh, estimates: beta 1 hat star plus beta 2 hat star xi star plus ui hat star. So you'll have to watch this recording with little patience. We'll understand what's going on. If it would have been the original model, then beta 1 hat would be what? Beta 1 hat would be y bar minus beta 2 hat x bar. Now if this is this model, then this would have been beta 1 hat would be y bar star minus beta 2 hat star x bar star, right? This is not the answer. We will have to write everything in terms of w1 and w2. So I'm just stating these things first of all. If this would have been the original model, then beta 2 hat would be summation of small xi upon summation of small xi square. But if this is this model, this new scaled model, it would be beta 2 hat star summation of xi star yi star upon summation of xi star ka square, right? What about this? Your if this would have been the original model, then variance of beta 2 hat would be sigma square upon summation of small xi square. Uh, and variance of, and for the scaled model, it would be beta 2 hat star sigma, of course, sigma square hat star upon summation of xi star ka square. Beta. If this would have been the original model, then sigma square hat would be summation of ui hat square upon n minus 2. This would happen there. But when this is a scaled model, it is sigma square hat star, which is equal to summation of ui hats ui hat ui hat square ka star upon n minus 2, right? And if this would have been the original model, we should write this, then variance of beta 1 hat would be summation of capital xi square upon n into summation small xi square sigma square hat. And for the scaled model, this is going to be like this with all the stars around. Note that these are not the answers. You have to get the answers in terms of w1 and w2, right? Okay, now we'll start doing this. Now we'll start doing this. So beta, first thing, your yi star is w1 yi, right? Y bar star would be, when you just take the uh, mean of both of them and subtract y bar star from yi star. Hmm? So this will be small yi star is equal to w1 small y, w1 small y, right? Remember this. Similarly, capital xi star is w2 xi, x bar star would be w2 x bar, capital xi star minus x bar star is going to be w2 xi minus x bar. So small xi star is going to be w2 small xi star. How about that? Okay. Ui hat star. Okay. Ui hat star would be, okay, ui hat would be yi minus yi hat. Ui hat star would be yi star minus yi hat star. How about that? Okay. So yi star minus, now yi hat would be beta 1 hat plus beta 2 hat xi. Yi hat star would be beta 1 hat star plus beta 2 hat star xi star. How about that? What is beta 1 hat star? You have just written this, which is what? Y bar star minus beta 2 hat star x bar star. Hmm, right? What can I write? Capital yi star minus y bar star, right? And this will become what? Minus minus will become plus, and you have minus out here. So I can write minus beta 2 hat star xi star minus x bar star. Mhm. So you have what? Small yi star minus beta 2 hat star small xi star, right? Beta 2 hat star minus small xi star. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll leave this just for a time being here, and I'll come back to this after my fourth point. So I'll leave this just for a time being here because I have to use the value for beta 2 hat star out here. Hmm? Okay. I'll just come back to that. Beta, what is beta 2 hat star? Summation small xi star small yi star upon summation small xi star ka square, right? Okay. What is small xi star? W2 small xi. What is small yi star? W1 small yi. You have just written this upon W2 small xi ka square, right? So what do you have? W1, W2 being constant will come out of the summation sign. W2 square upon summation xi square. So 1 W2 will get cancelled out here. So you have what? W1 by W2 into summation small xi yi upon summation of small xi square. What is summation of small xi yi upon summation of small xi square? Beta 2 hat. So what is it that you can write? You can write that beta 2 hat star would be equal to W1 by W2 beta 2 hat. W1 by W2 beta 2 hat. Like this. Okay, now going back to this, can I write yi star minus W1 by W2 beta 2 hats. In place of small xi star, you can write what? W2 xi. So this W2 will get cancelled out. This W2 will get cancelled out. हाँ बेटा. And in place of yi star also, you guys can write this. W1 yi. You can also write W1 yi out here. Huh? So you have W1 yi minus W1 beta 2 hat xi. So I can take W1 common. Yi minus beta 2 hat xi. Beta, what is this? What is this? This is just ui hat. है ना? Yi minus beta 2 hat xi. So what is it that you can write? That ui hat star is W1 ui hat. Ui hat star is W1 ui hat. Right? So we've done this also. Okay. Now let's start going further. What about this beta 1 hat star? I don't know what this fourth or fifth, whatever. Beta 1 hat star is what? Y bar star minus beta 2 hat star x bar star. Beta, what is y bar star? W1 y bar. What is beta 2 hat? W1 by W2 beta 2 hat. What is x bar star? W2 x bar. So this W2 will get cancelled out. You will have what? W1 y bar minus beta 2 hat x bar. Beta, what is this? Y bar minus beta 2 hat x bar? Your beta 1 hat. So beta 1 hat. So what do you have? Beta 1 hat star is, so beta 1 hat star is this guy. Right. Okay. Fair enough. Sigma square hat star. Sigma square hat star is what? You have just written above. Summation of ui hat square upon n minus 2. है ना? What is ui hat? You have just found this out above. Ui hat star, sorry. What was that? W1 ui hat. Ka square whole upon n minus 2. Okay. So I'll take W1 square outside. This is what? Ui hat square all upon n minus 2. What is this, beta? This is nothing but just sigma square hat. So sigma square hat star is nothing but this guy. So थोड़ा सा से sigma square hat star is W1 square sigma square hat. Okay. What about this variance of beta 1 hat star? Which is what? Summation capital Xi square upon n summation small xi square into sigma square hat star. Uh, so it is what? Your W1 x1 का square um, upon n and not W1, sorry, W2 x1. I'm so sorry. It should be W2 now. W2, it should be square. हालांकि this square will get just cancelled out. This capital Xi square, huh? Upon n summation of W2 small xi का square into sigma square hat star. What is sigma square hat star, beta? W1 square sigma square hat. So what this will be? W2 square summation of capital Xi square upon n. W2 square will come out of the summation W1 square sigma square hat. W1 square sigma square hat. So what will this be? How can you write this? W1 square summation of capital Xi square upon n summation of small xi square sigma square hat. But what is this? This is just the variance of beta 1 hat. So variance of beta 1 hat star is equal to this. Variance of beta 1 hat star is equal to W1 square variance of beta 1 hat. Right? Variance of beta 1 hat. What about this guy? Well, this was 8th one. This was 7th. Variance of beta 2 hat star. What will this be? Your sigma square hat star upon summation of small xi square. What is sigma square hat star? You have just found this out earlier now. W1 square sigma square hat. Whole upon. This will be W2 and this is star now. Sorry. W1 by W2 square sigma square hat upon summation of xi square. Sorry, summation of small xi square. So what will that be? W1 by W2 का square. And what is this beta? Sigma square upon summation of small xi square. Beta, variance of beta 2 hat. So variance of beta 2 hat star is equal to W1 by W2 का square variance of beta 2 hat. huh? Variance of beta 2 hat. Right, beta? So this is what I wanted to do in scaling and units of measurement. This is very important and you should be deriving this also. Huh? Sure. Thank you, beta.